There is a big load in the dishwasher. We had a good dinner. We had like barbecued chicken, the cheesy rice, and green beans. And I never expect how full it is. Now I'm going for the top. Not that much, but still pretty full. The bottom is the fullest of them all. So I want to see what's going to happen. Dishwasher's still the same as usual. And as you can see, look how dirty that is. I can't believe how full it is. So this one's going to be very interesting. So I'm going to get the Cascade Pod set up as usual. I got the cycle I want. We got the cycle we needed. Look at that. Ew. Oh, towels. Hang on one sec. Sorry, guys. So, there we go. Now that we're set. We're going to be doing the sensor clean with all the settings we have, and I think that's pretty much it. Alright, I'll get the candle set up, since I'll probably record the full main wash, I think. I'm not going to record the whole thing. I'm just going to record like what the main wash will do. So after I close the thing, I'm going to pause, let it do the pre-wash, and I'll come back after the drain starts. So anyways, here we go, and I'll be back. There we go. So we got some dishes in there. There's tons of dishes, so it should be a little quiet. Alright, here we go. Check this out, guys. Really? Huh. Oh wait, it does. It fills with hot water, I get it. So it does fill up with hot water, and the dishwasher heats it up. Cool. Alright. Okay, so, I don't know if you guys remember, but I did upload a video of the the dishwasher at our rental house called the Whirlpool Dishwasher Nighttime Wash. Um, it was when we had spaghetti and tuna, and we fit the some pans in the dishwasher. Uh, it's it like uh, it turns really slow since probably how thick the water is and how dirty it is. So let's see how well this thing will do on the dishwasher. Also, I wanted to try out something cool, I have a little stopwatch right here. So let's see how well. So let's see how much time it will do. Luckily, I do have my candle on camera, so you guys can see that and that relaxing flame. And I think we're all set. So when it starts washing, when it starts running again, I'll hit the start button as the best as I can. Anyways, enjoy the video. Oops, I accidentally bumped. It just takes forever to fill. Okay. I missed for a split second, but I finally managed to hit the start button. And momentarily the detergent dispenser will open. Sorry about the towels. Oh, and there it goes. Alright, let's see how well it will perform. Just about a minute, just about 55 seconds for, and we now approached 1 minute after it started. So, anyways, enjoy. And I'll be back very shortly. Okay, so I just got back. I had to brush my teeth. And we are now into noise mode. There we go. We got 4 minutes for the during the main wash. Yep, that's what I was wondering about.
What?
The dishwasher doing a workout. I received a comment about the sound. It sounds like a cavitation. I don't know what that means, but see which one's louder, this thing or the dishwasher. I don't know. Difference. Okay, recirculation. No recirculation. So I think Mom was right. I checked out the. I spent the thing yesterday and I heard like a bang. At least I got the candle running. This will be a good video. Haven't done one in a while though. 7 minutes. Okay. And 8 minutes. I'm doing see how long it's gonna take. I'm just doing something different. Oh, it's that thing. Oh crap! Almost. Well, guys, I just don't. If you guys don't want to hear the beeping from the coffee maker, just sit you guys down the loudest. And now we're back to that. There you go, we got enough room. Just about 10 minutes. I'm sure I won't run another cycle because the last time I washed those things, and on the first cycle the first rinse was still sudsy. The final rinse was fine, but I decided to run another cycle afterwards. Yes. I just ended up running another cycle just to make sure make sure it gets rid of them. But maybe this time I might not. This one's quiet. This one is quiet than this. I'll show you guys, see if I can still hear it from the other room. There we go. I can barely hear how loud it is. Okay, let's go back out then. Well, I guess the dishwasher at the rental we were staying at probably works better than this one. So, that's the in conclusion. Right. almost 15 minutes for the main wash. Still doing the no recirculation. Probably weak, I guess. Whirlpool does it better than this one. I think it might have been changing the spray arms or something. Or I don't think so. Got 24 minutes in the video and 18 minutes for the main wash. No.
Well, I'll put it in.
Yeah, maybe tomorrow. Um, I'm not sure if it switches the spray arms. It just probably goes.
Okay.
All right.
To many people, including many people watching this show right now, the results are shocking and even horrifying. Donald Trump tried to forcibly overturn the results of the last election to return the office of Biden and Obama majority.
This is the same Donald Trump who openly called for vengeance against his enemies.
Now it's to the Supreme Court to carve out arguments. Nothing to protect the people who are brave enough to speak out against him.
That's why we in SNL would like to say to vote in freedom.
Because we see ourselves in you. We look at you and think, that's me. That's the man I want my future children to look up to.
Mr. Trump, Your Honor, we know that you say things that are controversial sometimes, but really you're just speaking the truth. And I hate how the mainstream media, Michael J, tries to spin it and make it look foolish.
So the people of social media is we should not be allowed.
And it's C-H-E-J.
Like our three disgusting new cast members. Even when others doubted you, every single person on this stage believed in you.
Every single person on the stage voted for you.
Because we see ourselves in you. We look at you and think, that's me. That's the man I want my future children to look up to.
And Mr. Trump, Your Honor, we know that you say things that are controversial sometimes, but really you're just speaking the truth. And I hate how the mainstream media, Michael J, tries to spin it and make you look foolish.
So the people of social media is we should not be allowed.
And it's C-H-E-J.
Like our three disgusting new cast members. I've voted for you 50 times in Pennsylvania. 92% of black women voted for Trump. I was one of the proud 8%. For me, this is the nomination Trump all the way. And we're so excited to debut our newest impression, Hot Jazz Trump.
It sounds like there's no water left. on and on and on and on. It's 27 minutes. Now I'm recording almost 34. That was an odd song. Not a good one either. Oh, I don't own that, guys. All right, 35 minutes. Now 29 minutes. I think it's gonna go for another 10 minutes or so. Okay, now it's starting to sound quiet now. What? What are you talking about? Oh, here goes. almost 33 minutes, and I'm recording 39. I think the main wash ends like when it gets 40 minutes. Well, not on my tablet. It's gonna record. It's going to be 40-minute video. Right now we're still in 33 minutes on my stopwatch. Now I'm recording 40 minutes. "35 minutes. Wow. These stories are funny. Six. Now they're workers.
It's just a show with skits.
Well, first it's telling me crazy stories. And now this. Oh, I'm quite surprised. I'm quite surprised it got a little bit quiet. It's not working like normal. Wow. I mean, we are at a rapid temp now. Here's where we are. 37 minutes. I think it's gonna go for a few more minutes or something. Oh! So that is almost 38 minutes. Well, oh, holy. All that cloudy water. Wow. Look. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's soap in there. Well guys, I'm quite surprised that it ended up being a little quiet for the rest of the main wash, even though that was a big load. Well, I hope you all enjoy that. We'll see if I'll do another one, maybe in a full cycle in the future, but just wanted to show you how well it did in a big load, and I think it did okay, actually. Alright, that's all, folks. I hope you guys are enjoying your weekend.